So in this video, you'll learn how to add a location to photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you've already taken a photo or if you've already taken a video and you want to add a location to it, this is what you need to do. You need to start by opening the Gallery app and then you want to locate it. Once you found it, you then want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you want to select Details. Under Details, you can see there's no current location added, so this is what you're going to do to add it. You start by tapping on Edit, and then from here you should see no location information. Just tap on this plus icon next to it, and you can start the process of adding the location. So now, you can choose to zoom in on this world map to find the exact location you want, or you can just use the search function and simply just filter out the locations that you need. So for me, I'll use the search function to make it easier for me to search. And then once you've entered in your search, just look for it and it will be located. Once you found it, you can even go zooming even further just to find the exact specific house or street that you want to add to that location. And then once you've done that and you've selected your location, you want to select Done. And you can see the location has actually been added to the photo. So to ensure that these details are actually applied to the image, remember to tap on Save. And once you've tapped on Save, give it a few seconds, and you can see the location has been successfully added to the image. And so that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.